Good evening, student. Today we will discuss about the nomenclature of cyanide. It is class 12th topic as well as in 11th IUPAC system. So first of all, you must know that what is the meaning of the cyanide. Cyanide, which contains single bond C, triple bond N group like this. Here as you are seeing that this carbon is attached to this methyl group. So total number of carbon in the chain is 2, 1 and 2. So what will be the name, how the name of the cyanides in IUPAC system will be called? So there are 2 carbon, 1 and 2. So 2 carbon means root word is eth or ethane, you can say ethane, and for this nitrogen in IUPAC we will call nitrile, ethane nitrile. But in the common system we will consider there are 2 methods. One is this group is called methyl and this CN is called cyanide. So common name will be methyl cyanide, and commonly it is also called acetonitrile. 2 carbon, that will be aceto and nitrile. So you must know there are 3 names. One is IUPAC and 2 is common. One ethane nitrile, ethane, that's mean 1 2 in IUPAC system, ethane nitrile. Methyl cyanide, cyanide is considered as a group and methyl is a alkyl group. When we will move to the second one, we will see that CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CN. We can write cyanide like this also. There are 3 carbon, 1 2 and 3. So IUPAC name will be propane nitrile. If we will call common name, so CH3 CH2, that will be C2H5, this will be called ethyl cyanide. Or if we take 3 carbon, so propianonitrile, this is also a common name. Third structure, as you can see and you can I think understand the writing of the IUPAC name, it is butane nitrile, propyl cyanide or butyronitrile. Now moving towards the next structure, we have to start the naming from this carbon because it is attached to the nitrile group. So 1 2 3 4 carbons are there, and at 2 number carbon you are seeing the methyl group, so it will be 2 methyl butane nitrile. It is IUPAC name, and in common system this is secondary butyl one. This is secondary butyl cyanide. Next one is 1 2 3 2 chloro propane nitrile. Moving towards the aromatic cyanides, so you are seeing this is a phenyl group. So commonly it can be called phenyl cyanide, but in the IUPAC system this group will be in the branch chain, that means CCH5 will be called phenyl, and this is carbon number 1 which is directly attached to the nitrogen. So 1 phenyl methane nitrile, 1 phenyl methane nitrile. Now you are seeing a long structure of, as you are seeing the rest one. In this you are seeing there are 7 carbon chain, 1 cyanide group, OH group and carboxylic group also present. So we can also call the name by taking the CN cyanide group as a prefix, that means cyno, you can write cyno as a prefix. So numbering will start from the carboxylic group 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you are seeing at 3 number carbon CN is cyno, you can write as a prefix. At 4 number carbon hydroxy group, OH group, and at 5 number carbon there is a double bond, and 1 number carbon, that is a carboxylic group. So 7 carbon, that's mean this is the hept, root word is hept, written hept here, hept 5-ene, it is a main root word, and 3 cyno, prefix taking cyanide as a prefix here, 4-hydroxy. So we can write 3-cyano 4-hydroxy hept 5-ene. This you are seeing 5 number carbon has double bond. So 5-ene 1 oic acid, or you can say only oic acid. So in this way you can write students any UPSC name of the cyanides. I think you have got, you have to write this in your vocabulary. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Ask your question in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.